Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about what I intend to do in 2019. Let's go! According to Slavic calendar, this is the year of soaring eagle. And I would like to make it a year of the bird for myself, to reconnect to my ethnic background, my ethnic roots, and to achieve a fluidity of soaring bird in my yoga movements. I have a long history of bird nicknames, which started with my capoeira teacher giving me a nickname Sinichka after I passed for my first belt. I didn't like it because Sinichka, in English it's titmouse, a birdie size of a sparrow with the yellow chest, really chirpy, lively. I love titmouse. But at that point I was practicing breakdancing, capoeira, and I thought of myself as a badass, which doesn't quite connect to this little bird. And then the other factor is that I read Jonathan Livingstone's Seagull at that point, and I associated myself with this beautiful seagull looking for purpose in life and the meaning of the life. I was looking for this in my own life. In Russian, seagull is chayka, so it's really feminine. I wanted to get this nickname, Chayka, but it didn't stick. When I went on to my first adventure with First Descents, they asked to create a nickname, to think of a nickname. And at that point, I didn't feel like a beautiful white bird soaring up in the sky. I felt like a little sparrow because my hair was short, it got darker after chemo or radiation. And this bird is lively, chirpy, and it really flies away real quick if it feels any danger. And I felt I was afraid for my body because I just started getting my movement back, my strength back, and I was a little bit afraid to wreck that, which I built up with so much effort. Anyway, let me tell you a couple words about First Descents. It is a non-profit organization which helps young adults impacted by cancer by providing outdoor experiences. I went on a rock climbing trip because I always wanted to do that, but I never did it, even in the gym. And my first experience was in the nature. It was beautiful. I felt a lot of support from other survivors. And now I'm teaching donation classes, donation-based yoga classes to fundraise money for other young adults impacted by cancer to experience the same healing power. The next trip I took was with Project Koru in Hawaii, and they asked us to create a power name. And at that point I was ready to upgrade myself to Hawk. But Hawk is a meat-eating bird. It's a bird of prey, and probably of course, that nickname gave me a lot of self-confidence, but I felt like when I was Hawk, I was a little snooty. So I will keep looking for my bird, but for now I'm back to sparrow. Yoga is also known for giving its poses names of animals, including birds. For example, crane, crow, pigeon, eagle. My crow stopped flying, crippled by right-sided neuropathy and lack of strength in my hands, in my arms. So my goal is to trust my crow to fly again, at least by the end of the year, because now I feel much stronger and I think I'll be able to launch that crow. Pretty much same thing happened to my eagle. I'm not able to wrap one leg around the standing leg anymore, but I think that now I can handle that and I will work towards returning back to my eagle pose. This being said, I plan on making a video on how to do your crow and how to practice your eagle. Of course, I will not abandon my favorite half moon, about which I will post a video sometime soon. That's all for today. Stay healthy, practice safely. See you next time!